Hello everyone, welcome to the video on tips and tricks to master verbal ability in competitive examinations. See, all the competitive examinations, Public Service Commission examinations contains verbal ability. In the verbal ability, there are 4 to 5 types of questions being asked. Reading comprehension, synonyms and antonyms, phrases and idioms, sentence rearrangement, error finding. Now, in order to answer all these things, there is one basic rule is there. To know more number of words. Verbal ability is directly related to number of words you know. And if you know the words, reading comprehension, synonyms, antonyms, everything will become very easier. Now, how to develop or how to learn more number of words? The best practice is to take up a newspaper, a good newspaper like the Hindu, take up a news article, read it. If you don't know a particular word, underline it and look for the meaning, write it in a notes. Make this as a practice, and within 1 week there will be a lot of improvement. There is another trick is there. See, some of the words they are originated from root words like FID. FID is a root word which indicates trust. Confident, having trust in myself. Diffident, having no trust in oneself. So confidence is a positive word which says someone is having trust in himself. Diffident is the opposite word. You can see fid is there in both the words, confid, diffid. Similarly, fidelity means trustworthy. Infidel, who cannot be trusted. Again, fid is there. In fact, bona fide, we get bona fide certificates. It has got the fid. So that says you can trust the student. So this is how you can learn. So only with that fid root word you can learn confident, diffident, fidelity, infidel, bona fide, still affidavit, and perfidy. All of them are from the same root word. You can pick like that. Now, another way, there are certain phrasal words or idioms are there. When you read, when you listen English, you need to understand them properly. Think about this. When during coronavirus pandemic, virus gave a breakthrough from the infection. What do you mean by breakthrough? Breakthrough means we achieved success over the virus by making vaccines. A successful vaccine is made. That is what we call it as breakthrough. Even when you listen cricket commentary, let's say someone is batting really well. If a bowler comes, take his wicket, what the commentator says, the bowler has got a breakthrough, means he has got an achievement of taking his wicket. So whenever you listen, whenever you come up with these words, you need to write them. Once you understand with the context, you will learn them easily. So this is how you need to master verbal ability. Once you know number of words, comprehension, synonyms, antonyms, finding errors, everything will become easier. I will start a series on verbal, uploading all the videos to make it easier for all of you. Thank you for watching this video.